Hey everybody, I'm Ron Trudeau. This is the second assignment for IoT. It's an expansion of the LED control project, our first project. So I chose to create an RGB strip, which can create a bunch of different strobe patterns. And I also chose to integrate a color sensor. And I've never used one of these before. I bought it just like 2 days ago. And I've been experimenting with it for a few hours, so it's pretty fun so far. So I'll show you how this works. So I'm also using a rotary encoder, so it has a turn knob and a push button integrated on it. So I can go ahead and turn this on. So first pattern is just like a chase pattern. So the way that this works, if I turn the knob on the rotary encoder, it'll adjust the speed, so I can make it go slower. If I turn the other way, I can make it go faster. And then pressing the button changes the pattern. So I have like a breathing pattern. I have a wave pattern. So it looks pretty cool. It just like fades in like that. Since I'm using the PWM pins, which you're allowed to control the brightness on each one of these LEDs. So for each LED have connected to their own PWM pin. And then I also have a alternating pattern. And then this is the part where I integrate the color sensor. So the way that this works is it'll collect a sample of photons and it'll divide those into the 3 color channels, red, green, and blue. And then I can map those 3 channels and normalize those onto the RGB scale, and I'll show the RGB value on the LED strip. So I'll use this red Lego piece first. So I just hover over the sensor. So it's hard to tell on this object. It's hard to tell on this camera, but the red is a little bit brighter than the blue and the green LEDs. So here's a blue Lego piece. So the blue LEDs are like the brightest. And then orange is a mixture of red and green according to RGB logic. So it's hard to tell, but green and red LEDs are a little bit brighter. So yeah, it's not perfect. I'm still trying to experiment with it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.